Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Alright.
Yay, Daddy!
What do y'all do to the table? It's all mine. Oh, you want me to share?
Isn't that cute? I like it.
Great. Okay, who wants to throw the golf ball?
No,
You do?
I got the golf ball.
Where's this?
It's cake.
That is mine.
I have a little plate for Kennedy.
Kennedy or Liberty?
Liberty. Oh, Kennedy.
Or have a bowl.
Okay.
I got this. I did it. I ate it. Daddy!
Alright, Liberty, which one do you want?
Everybody wants the green one. Yeah, that one. Everybody, not that one. The one on the side.
Hang on.
I need a plate.
Okay, babe. Is that good?
Yum, yum. Hey, they don't make it 33 holes.
There it goes.
I'm not.
Daddy?
Uh-huh. Not bad.
Chocolate's your favorite, Mom? She got the one with the filling. I only put filling in one of them. And she got the one with the filling.
Is that good?
Is it good, guys?
Very good. Is that good?